Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot on OnePlus Tab. And to do this you'll need to open any app that allows you to take the screenshot of entire page that you can scroll down. So let's go for Google Play Store, and inside we want to click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. Do it like that. This will make a screenshot and you should be able to see the scroll underneath this pop-up. Now it will begin scrolling down the entire page. Probably there's a limit because some pages may go almost infinite. But you can click on done anytime you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot. But let's wait a few seconds, we'll see if it's how far it will go. Okay, I think that's enough, so let's click on done. And right here we have a full page screenshot kinda. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.